Senator the Honourable Maxine McLean, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, other government officials, amongst them the couple permanent secretaries, I believe, and deputy permanent secretaries I've seen, along with the director of the National Insurance Scheme, the president and elected officials of Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union Limited, chairman and board of directors of CAPITA Financial Services, Inc. and BPW Financial Holdings, officials of the various regulatory authorities represented this evening by the Central Bank, the Financial Services Commission and the Office of the Registrar of Cooperatives, management and staff of Barbados Public Workers and CAPITA Financial Services, many of you leaders of commerce here in Barbados, specially invited guests amongst you, the distinguished directors of the local credit union movement, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this special ceremony to launch CAPITA Financial Services, Inc.
This birth, this creation of life, is a celebration for CAPITA and the parent company, the Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union Limited. It is also a proud moment for the extended credit union family. I would like to acknowledge all credit unions sharing this moment with us right now. I believe that credit unions are the main providers of community banking. Financial exclusion creates social exclusion. At the Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union Limited, we view our role as reducing, if not eliminating, that possibility. The credit union's strength has always been and will continue to be capacity to listen to our members and base our products and services solely on their needs.
CAPITA today has a team of 20 dedicated professionals in Barbados and St. Lucia, providing a streamlined range of services specific to your financial needs. We are focused on connecting, communicating, listening, and responding to you as we help to build your future. CAPITA tomorrow will see both our locations grow in size, capability, and assets. We will explore sustainable and efficient ways to protect them. Soon, we will be introducing a range of cutting-edge solutions and investment options for all. CAPITA, together with our parent company and the network of credit unions, will equip our team with the relevant skill sets and elevate our service culture, adding value across the board. CAPITA, in partnership with our clients, intends to deepen our relationships, reaching out with products and services that are relevant while focusing on reliable service and developing mutual trust. CAPITA today, tomorrow, together.
The credit union movement, since its inception, has been a highly regulated entity, and that's important in the context of these economic times and the significant disasters that we've seen across the globe in relation to financial institutions. Since its official beginning in 1947, when a number of low-income earners within the Roman Catholic Church formed what was called the Shamrock Savings Union, the credit union in Barbados has grown exponentially. For example, your organization, the Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union, which, as we all know, started with the still, I think, available suitcase, with very few members 40 years ago, can now boast of having a membership of some 60,000 persons and assets in excess of 700 million, making you the largest indigenous financial services provider and leader of the credit union movement in Barbados. Over the years, the movement has made a valuable and lasting contribution to the social and economic development of the Barbadian society. It has become a significant player in the financial services sector and has been the channel through which many working people gain free access to financial services. For many decades, the average credit union member failed to access similar services from the traditional banking system. In fact, there is clear evidence that the success of the credit union movement, and indeed I must say headed by Public Workers Credit Union, has impacted significantly on the business practices of the existing banking sector. Most importantly, the credit union movement has been a vehicle of economic enfranchisement and empowerment for many low and middle income earners who, without the presence of these financial institutions, would have found themselves economically marginalized by a financial system dominated by large foreign banks. I want to stress that at the heart of the growth of the credit union movement in the last 5 to 6 decades has been the adherence to a set of fundamental principles. 1, service to members, the building of financial stability, the importance of social goals, social responsibility, and cooperation among cooperatives.